Shalalala, my oh my. Hey guys, welcome back. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today's model is the beautiful WinnifredWhyte. Ooh. I'll be putting her Instagram handle in the description box below. So, make sure to check her out and follow her and just send her a lot of love. So, I'm starting off with her face with I've already moisturized her face and her lips. So for priming, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer and the Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I'll be using the Colorpop flat foundation brush to glide it all over her skin. Don't mind my voice, you guys. I lost my voice in church yesterday while I was worshiping and praying, so excuse how I sound today, but yeah. You guys know I love to glow, so I'm using the Melanie Mills Body Radiance, and this is in rose gold. And I'm also using the same brush, and I'm just applying it, like concentrating in the center of her face and sharing that out like everywhere. For foundation, first of all, I'm using the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation. This is in shade Tahoe, but she does have like acne scars, so it didn't really give me the coverage I wanted. I had to go in off camera with Revlon 24 hours. I've forgotten the foundation, but I'll put it in the description box. All I know is it's in the shade Caramel, and that gave me the coverage I really needed. For highlights, I'm using the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in shade Macchiatto. And I'm just, first of all, applying with this brush. And then I'll be blending it out with the Beauty Blender from GLAM. I used throughout this video, I'm using the 3-quart. Is it 3-quart? Forgotten the name of the Beauty Blender, but I'll be most definitely putting it in the description box, but I know it's a 3D beauty blender. So yeah, for contour, I'm using the Colorpop Nofilter foundation. This is in shade Deep Dark, and her face is kind of a little bit like round, so I really wanted to go in with something really dark, but not like appalling dark, but dark to give her face a lot more definition. And I'll be using a small brush from RLG Cosmetics. This is actually one of my favorite brushes for nose contour. And yeah, I'll also be going over it with the Beauty Blender. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. So to set the contour, I'm using the Milani powder in shade Deep. Was it Deep or Warm? Okay, no, this is in shade Warm, and I'll be using it to define her facial structure and to snatch everywhere. Using an angled fluffy brush to do all of these. To set her highlight and bake, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in shade Kunafa. Since I got this, I've not been able to put it down. I love it so much. But yeah, moving on. So I'm reverse contouring. I'm cleaning up the contour. And I'm doing it happily. For brows, I'm using the Hegai Esther brow gel in shade Ebony, and I'm using a small angled brush to do all of that, and just small soft work, light work on the brows. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Juviasplace palette. This is a festival palette, and I'm using these colors as my transition colors. Just blend for your life, whatever you do. Blend. So I'll be going in with the Bad Habits Athena palette. I have an in-depth review of this palette on my channel, so check some of my previous videos. Okay, I'll be putting the link at the end of the video, so yeah. To also deepen the crease and to add more definition, I'm going in with the RLG Anita B palette. This is a Nigerian brand. The Anambra girl almost jumped out. This is a Nigerian brand, and just look at how beautifully pigmented this shadow palette is. It retails in Nigeria and also retails in the UK and in the US. So just go to www.rlgcosmetics.com and just find out how they can ship to you, and it's not super expensive. Going back in with that color. Oh, my palette fell and I couldn't cry, but I will use these shadows to the last drop, even if it kills me. That is how amazing the palette is. To line the eyes, I'm using the liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just cotton, basically. Well, not cotton. Just the liner. For eyelashes, I'm using the mink lashes from Riakulashes. It's a Nigerian brand. I'll be putting the name of the style in the description box, so don't fret, don't worry. We good. I got you, all right? For the under eye, oh, look at my nails. Hey, girl. Under eye, I just wanted a pop of color, so I'm using the same blue from Luzta Cosmetics. The same blue pigment I used in my previous video, and I'm just like popping that in her lower lash line. And to also smoke that out, I'll be going in with this purple from the same Anita B palette. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended brush that's always in their palettes. I love these brushes, and I'm just smoking everything out. Smoky. For the lower lash line mascara, I'm using the Zaron Cosmetics Lengthening Mascara. It is also a Nigerian brand, but it's in like different places in West Africa. So, yeah. To finish up the brows, I'm going in with the Blot Cosmetics Brow Gel. I know you guys are tired of hearing me say it, but I love this brow gel so much. This is in shade Light Coffee, and I'm also using the shade Clear. You can see me holding both of them. And yeah, it just lifts the brows. For blush, I'm using these two shades from the La Femme blushes. I will be putting the name of the shades in the description box. So, yeah, we move. So I'm just going through all of her face with a large fluffy brush from Zaron Cosmetics and a translucent powder from the Benai Professional Powder Palette. To set makeup spray, I'm using the Mario Badescu spray and the TM Essentials Glow Hydra Mist spray in shade Angel, Sweet Angel. For lips, I'm using this purple lipstick from Huda Beauty. Forgotten the name, but I'll be most definitely putting it in the description box. So I got you really covered. You know, lips is a very important part of makeup because you always like want to get the lines very straight and very cute. Cute, but cute. Going into one of my favorite palettes. This is a lipstick palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yeah, it'll just be blending for the life, basically. The hell? I ended up making this lip a glossy lip, and I use one of the glitter glosses from RLG Cosmetics. So can just go on their Instagram and check them out. Basically, you'll love what you see. I'll be highlighting the middle of her lips with that white. You see how beautiful it mixes with the pink? It just pops the lips. Basically, literally pops the lips. For glow, I'll be using the Yangabeauty Candid Glow in Wawoo. Look how beautiful it is. And I'll be layering it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amorezi highlighter palette. Highlighter, sorry. It's not the palette. Highlighter. Oof. This gold is just everything, honestly. Especially like on light-skinned women, it is everything. And we'll be highlighting down the bridge of her nose, the brow bones, all the places where we highlight. No, I don't need to tell you. We all know this. You know this. I know this. And then most definitely her inner tear duct. Like, we can't forget that. Okay? This is the Candid Glow by Yangabeauty in Wawoo. And Sessa, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. Okay? And yeah, that is the look for today. Thank you so much for watching. And see you next video. Alrighty? Okay. Bye. God bless you. Kisses. Kills. Bye. Yes, girl.